That's not how you do it, Santa. This is how you do it. Congratulations to Jordan Crooks, the 2024 gold medalist in the 50-meter. Saturday morning, Caymanians woke up to a new world record, now held by our own Jordan Crooks. In itself, a monumental feat. The question of the day from the internet on Saturday morning was, could the 20-second marker be broken? Keeping the media houses on their toes, Jordan answered that question a few hours later, joining the history books, with a time of 19.90 in the 50-meter. Jordan's name will now be mentioned among the athletic pioneers of history. Jim Hines, the first man to run the 100-meter under 10 seconds. Roger Bannister, the first to run a mile in under 4 minutes. Jordan Crooks, the first person to swim the 50-meter in under 20 seconds. When Jordan Crooks was a boy, Michael Phelps set the bar for swimmers of the day. Usain Bolt was a Caribbean mark on the track. But today, with a gold medal, 2 world records, and the first man in history to swim a sub-20 in the 50-meter, Caymanian Jordan Crooks etched his name among the greatest athletes in history. Step aside, Air Jordan. Splash Jordan has now entered the arena.